What's good, y'all? It's your boy, man. I've been grinding for L3, man. I hit that last night. I hit L3 last night. I'ma just show y'all all the mascots that they got. And I'm gonna be posting more videos because now I got the time because I'm not grinding no more. So yeah, I'll see y'all later when I see y'all. Feel me?